As global leader in motors and drives, we help industries optimize their productivity in a low-carbon world with technology that improves decarbonization, energy efficiency, and circularity. And that work starts in our own operations, from how we design, source, and manufacture our products to how we reduce emissions. This includes direct emissions from sources we own, like our factories and vehicles, referred to as Scope 1, and indirect emissions from the energy we use, like electricity and district heating, which fall under Scope 2. In this episode, we take you inside our Helsinki factory to see how we're putting sustainability into action in our daily operations.
Hi, I'm Sini. Welcome to Helsinki. Let's take a look at some of the actions that make it happen. Hi Eppu.
Hi Sini.
Our trucks used to run on diesel. Why did ABB Drives switch to electric trucks?
Well, ABB Group's goal is to achieve net zero emissions by the year 2050. By implementing the fully electric transport chain is one of the examples how we can commit to that goal in logistics.
What kind of impact have you seen?
Well, most significant impact is from carbon dioxide emissions. The diesel trucks produce 200,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide emissions per year, which is equivalent of 77,000 liters of diesel fuel consumed. So it's a pure win for environment and for us at the ABB as well. And of course, less noise pollution on the roads and the loading dock area, and good feedback from the drivers. New trucks are easier to drive and more ergonomic.
Meillä otettiin täällä toimistolla ja tehtaalla lämpöpumput käyttöön. Mistä tämä idea sai alkunsa?
No, idea lähti varmaan siitä, että meillä oli muita energiahankkeita käynnissä ja sitten tiedostettiin samaan aikaan, että me ajetaan isoja putkia pitkin lämmitä vettä ihan vaan niin kuin taivaalle jäähtymään. Tiedettiin, että se on niin kuin valtava määrä energiaa ja sitten se, että miten se saataisiin hyötykäyttöön, niin sitä lähdettiin miettimään.
Minkälaisia vaikutuksia tällä lämpöpumpulla on ollut?
Meillä on noin 90%, ehkä vähän ylittäkin tippunut kaukolämmön kulutus. Nykyaikaista omakotitaloa niin lämmittää noin 300 vuotta sillä energialla, mitä me säästetään yhdessä vuodessa.
Huikea parannus. This is where you wash the variable speed drives that come for maintenance, and you installed an oil separator 8 months ago. Can you tell me more about that?
The wash water circulates in a closed system inside the washing machine, and we change the water at regular intervals. If there is any oil mixed in with the water, the oil separator will collect the oil in a separate container, after which we can dispose it properly. Our long-term goal is to reduce the number of water disposals per year, saving both water and money.
Thanks for visiting Helsinki factory.
At ABB, we continue to work toward our global sustainability targets, and some of our factories have already achieved them. Stay tuned for more stories from our factories. Are you looking to make your operations more sustainable? Let's do it together.